Time for an oil change. See if we can do it cleanly. Ready?
Yep.
Oh, we got it. Oh, that's right in the middle. Look.
And it's dripping right here, though.
Oh.
There we go. Covers your finger so quickly.
Like oil?
Well, yeah, I know. That's what I...
Now oil should be coming down the little drain hole. Filter out, and the new Ford Motorcraft one. Oh no.
What?
Look at the ground.
Oh.
Where's that coming from? Right here. We'll lower it down and we'll put 5 quarts of oil? Or
Yeah, maybe.
You got it.
Barely.
Yep. Nice. Good work. Clean the end.
Well, that's good, right?
Yeah. We'll fire up and see what it looks like.